Alright, so to put your site into maintenance mode, you need to go up to, once you're logged in, go up to configuration, scroll down here on the left, and look for maintenance mode under development. And then here it's just as simple as clicking this button, changing the site message to whatever you need it to say, and hitting save configuration. And then it will be in maintenance mode. Now to undo it, it's just as simple as navigating back here, clicking the checkbox, and hitting save configuration. And then you're back online. Simple as that.